Wagwan people, are your boy Dancehall Mojo and Thanksgiving evening in Canada, you know? See it? They crow them out. Yeah man, we get to find out say Christopher Dog Paw get dash right today. Yeah man, them dash your dog paw today dog. And people who never see that coming blind. Yeah man, because the reason why they let him man out of kill him, you know man. That was the number one reason why they let dog paw out, you know. So them can slap him, you know. Yeah, man. And that them video too, I hold it more, they fi slap we still, you know. I hold it more, them pussy hole out, they fi slap we. Because on the hurt innocent people too. So, when phone time coming, I want know people are rude, demonstrate, you know. Because a lot of innocent people, family life, take on them little dirty boy there, you know, so. Look at me, I'm afraid to hide my face. I check some, I'm look eat that boy. But I don't know face run TV and sitting screams so people can't see, you know. Shoot me attack, you know, who don't like it, who don't like it, don't like it, you see me? Yeah, man, then slap with the paw, man. So, yeah, so me get to find out, yeah, man, them slap him with today. So you don't know, we link up and get post more video on it and them things, so you don't know. Peace out. Straight. Yeah, man. Nice day, let me look on it. Cut.